service layer. Initialization and update. To prepare your Hybris environment, you will need your system to be initialized. This will create needed tables in the database and mandatory users like admins, anonymous, and others. Quite often, you will need to do the system update. This will deliver the DDL queries for new tables and columns, reload the audit configs, localize types, and import needed data. Both init and update processes can be customized from the System Setup class. Customization is done in different methods, annotated with the System Setup annotation. That annotation holds the information about process, such as init, update, or both, and about the data type, essential, project, or both. Additionally, on every init or update process, Platform scans extension for needed impex files. The scan is done by the pattern, and default will look for files starting with the essential or project data. To change the pattern, adapt the impex pattern property. Note, order of the import depends on the JVM, so you can't rely on it. As you can remember, specific order can be achieved using the single impex file with order includes. To customize the init or update for extension even more, you can add additional options. Here I've added new System Setup Parameters to the System Setup Parameter method. One of those parameters is simple Boolean, while the other one is multi-select parameter. This code is executed when you open the init or update page in HAC. This is the second part of the previous example. It contains code that works during the update process and analyze chosen by user options. Both init and update are available from the ant as well. Here are few properties they use. Dry run will not do any changes, but will log every action. This can be used to ensure that update will run smooth. Config file can provide different checkbox values for the ant execution. To get the config file, just press on the Dump Configuration button. Let's wrap it up. Initialization is needed to prepare the Hybris instance. System update delivers the data definition changes and imports needed data. Update can also be extended with the new options and custom logic. That's it for the initialization and update.